Today it is 31st January 2025, 12:38 p.m. Indian Standard Time, and it is more than 4 months since the market is going down. The Nifty 50 was around 26,200 at the end of September 2024, and on 27 January 2025 it has fallen up to 22,800. Then after that it recovered a little, and today it is around 23,400. Now tomorrow on 1st February, Indian Budget 2025 will be announced, and we will know about their financial policies such as taxation, government expenditure, and economic growth measures. Now, if the budget includes growth oriented measures like increased infrastructure spending, tax cuts, or incentives for certain sectors, then it can boost investor sentiment and lead to a market rally. On the other hand, if the budget is perceived as unfriendly to businesses, example, increased taxes or excessive borrowing, then it can result in a market downturn. So we will know how the market will react after the budget. But if you see the overall GDP growth rate of India, which is 6.5, it is still better than China's 4.8 and United States 2.8. So in the long run, you can say that Indian market will be positive. Okay. Now, if you had invested in at the end of September when the market was at all-time high, then let me tell you that it will take time for your money to get recovered. Okay. But if you are a serious long-term investor and want to make wealth by investing in stock market, then you should not get discouraged from investing more when the market is too low. This is called martingale strategy, which says that if you are already got a loss because market was down, then you should invest even more when the market is very low, because when the market will bounce back, which it always do, not only you will recover your original investment, but you will also make profit on what you purchased at lower prices as well. Now, if you have watched my previous video emergency, then you know because of my personal emergency I already redeemed all of my mutual funds, and I will get my money back in 1 week or so. Then I will reinvest back in mutual funds, specifically in some good index funds, by following this same martingale strategy. In the end, I hope all of us will stay in this investment journey for a long time. This is a this time is this time is a little bit volatile, and these strategies like martingale strategy are risky because we don't know how the market will react after this tomorrow's budget, or how what new policies US will bring back, what China will do, how China will react, how the world will react, how the market will react. Okay, we don't know right now. Okay, but market is already very down. Okay, so I think this is a good point to start the martingale strategy. Okay, anyone who had uh, sufficient cash, okay, money to invest, then they can follow this strategy. Okay, because uh, in the long run, this point, if you invest at this point, then in the long run it will be uh, useful for you, it will be profitable for you. Okay, it will take time for market to reach back to 26,000. Okay, it might take time. Okay, but we are at 23,000. Okay, so if you are investing at this point, which is already a very low point, then, and if you are investing for a long time, then investing at this point will be profitable for you in the future. Okay, so be hopeful, and keep invested. Okay, and invest more at this point if you can. And yes, that is all I will say. Okay, once again, I hope all of us would stay in this investment journey for a very very long time. Okay, still it is very risky, but still I hope that all of us could be invested in this stock market, and stay in this investment journey for a very, very long period of time. I hope that for all of us, I hope that for me as well, because what happened with me, this personal emergency, I'm going to come back. I hope all of you could come back as well. If someone need to get out of the market, I hope you can come back as well. And the people who are already invested, I hope all of them stay invested at this time as well. Okay, so yes, that is all. I hope the very best for all of us. Okay, and I hope all of us are smiling at the end. So thank you very much, and all the best.